flight attendant. She was complaining the whole time. And we are back in Bogota.
The second time on this trip.
And the lovely line of immigration. Gotta love it.
We are here at Selena Hostel in Bogota. It's very nice. We're being taken to the room by security, I think. Never been at a hostel that had security. Here's a look. Ooh.
Here is a different sour. How do you say?
Taste. Flavor.
Flavor? No, flavor is
Sabor?
sabor. Yes.
Flavor.
Flavor.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
That's okay. Different flavor. Because
I think you can say taste also though.
yes. Thank you. Because the woman that changed in the country. No. Yes. Ciudad. City. Yes. City. It's really different the preparation.
Yeah.
Because freezer.
Freezer?
Congelator?
Yeah.
It's hard.
Freezer, yeah. You're good.
That's okay. So I don't know, you decide for me I like it. Oh, for me I like it this because I like it. I love it fish and shrimp and this.
Wait, can you tell me again roughly how big are the empanaditas?
How big?
About how big?
About.
Tamaño.
Thank you. Wow. Really?
Like más o menos.
Size.
Say.
About is like
It's to say más o menos.
yeah.
Yes, I know that. Oh.
About how
Spanish. Yes, it's little. It's really small. Oh, I'm sorry. Wait a moment.
Yeah, that's fine. This is what happens when you get a good meal for the first time in like 48 hours. And cheap. Colombia cheap. We were starving. This cost us about $12 each. And we get some music. And we will not be hungry the rest of the night, that's for damn sure. This is our room. We've got some Australians, girl from Mexico, us two gringos, and I think a girl from Russia.
She smokes cigarettes.
As if that wasn't a guaranteed thing anyways. We are about to get some lunch. We've spent this morning just working on some emails and figuring out, holy shit, some expenses and whatnot. So we are about to go grab some lunch. We will show you the hostel on the way out. Oh.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
It's freezing here too.
Yeah, it's cold and we have nothing but t-shirts and shorts. My only pants. Pretty solid place though, as you can see. Good space and everything. There's Bogota.
We are at this little restaurant called SPQR.
He's a lad from New Zealand. Started this restaurant in La Candelaria in Bogota.
Super cool dude. We came here 6 weeks ago. This is where we met our friend Sam from Australia. Got a big YouTube channel. We happened to see him here
In this exact spot.
in this exact spot. We decided to come in and say hi. The restaurant was closing, so we didn't end up ordering any food, but we promised we'd come back. And here we are 6 weeks later.
So we'll show you that food in a second.
First item, this is a soup, and I forget everything that's in it.
Pumpkin, something. I don't know. It's healthy, it's vegetarian, vegan, something. Good.
Some french fries on top. So here is the main part of the meal. They called it a burrito. It's not really a burrito, but
It's not our version of a burrito.
Not our
but
version.
In Colombia, this could be a burrito. And then everything you see here, plus the soup, was 10,000 Colombian pesos, which is like $3.50, more or less.
looks pretty good, and we're really hungry.
Minus these vegetables. Because I'm picky as hell. Yeah.
Siga, señor, por acá. Bienvenidos.
So our Uber driver just dropped us off after giving us the crazy ass runaround.
Buenos días, ¿cómo está?
Bien, gracias.
Siga, bienvenido.
Down here, yeah. Just go right here. We are going to Monserrate. Interesting fact, you can't drive there. So you have to take the cable car or the train. And the cable car is broken today. So the train it is. We have movement. We made it to the top. You can instantly feel a difference in temperature. We're at like 10,000 feet. It's a lot harder to breathe. Definitely a lot harder to breathe. By the way, to get up here, it cost us 21,000 pesos, right? Yep. So about $7, which is not bad, round trip. Lots and lots of greenery. We thought that the big cross similar to Christ the Redeemer was in this area. Little did we know when we arrived, it is on a hill way over there. So the two are not together. Not quite sure how you see the statue of Jesus, but yeah.
Getting the drone ready. Should be some dope shots 10,000 feet above. However, it's clouds everywhere, which we think that it's clouds everywhere all the time here. We have yet to see the sun. And this is our...
I don't think people in Bogota ever see the sun.
Yeah, and this is our third day here if you count when we came and stopped on our way to Brazil, so still waiting for that sun. And we are ready for the drone.
After 100 tourists pass by. So just got done flying a drone. They told us that we had to land it. Little did they know, we already got the shots. But he was super chill. Told us that we didn't have to delete the video, so we were landing anyways because the battery was dying and it was raining. So win-win situation. And we have another case of ugly old dude with an attractive woman. We have a welcoming lunch here at Casa Santa Clara restaurant, and they're going to show us some typical food from Colombia. This is a part of the itinerary for this month, working with Pro Colombia, going all around to different destinations. So let's see how this food looks. So we are starting off with a typical drink of Bogota called canelazo. It's
Lime, canela,
and cinnamon,
a little bit of
alcohol, some water, some sugar. Let's see how it tastes.
That is very good.
Next up is the main food, some coconut lemonade. We're gonna try some new things of Colombia. So here we have the typical dish of Medellin, bandeja país, mix of different meats, avocado, banana, beans, arepas. It's supposed to be really good. I'm gonna try it out right now. The aftermath. This is some of the best food I think I've ever had. By far, the best lemonade I've ever had. Coconut lemonade. And this was amazing. I'm so full. I'm gonna go take a nap now.
So we are on our way out during our lunch, like the weather completely changed. It dropped like probably 10 degrees. Clouds are just rolling in. Literally, we were walking back to this train, and the clouds were like rolling in on top of us. So it's time to go back.
So now we're gonna check out the Museo del Oro. It's the Museum of Gold. Talks about gold and how it has been a part of South American civilizations and when it all started. So lots of different artifacts, history, and all that good stuff. So we'll take a little walk. One thing that we've been getting a lot of here that we didn't get so much in Brazil is the gringo stare. We were just like looking at some stuff in the museum, and one girl just straight up like stared at us for 30 seconds.
Standing right next to us
And just starts giggling. So then I said hola, and she like got all nervous, and yeah, it's pretty funny. See if we can catch them. They're giggling down the hall actually right now.
Lo siento. Come in.
So we're here at the hostel. We got a nice little competitive pool game going on. And you hit my ball.
and we have a winner.
You want to know why you won?
Tell him,
Because,
Dylan. What happened?
I hit the 8-ball in on the last one, so
But you're not supposed to do that.
he won by default because he got lucky.
Hey, it was a tight race anyway.
It has been a long night for us both. We are in the bus station. We're about to go to Villa de Leyva, which for one night, it's like a 4-hour bus ride. We're about to take this bus, spend one night there, then catch another bus the next day to Borachara or something. Got a long day. Hola. Hola. Quinn just bought a empanada from one of these shops. Pray for him. Let's hope he doesn't get sick.
Empanada?
He just took a big risk. Welcome to the buses of Colombia. Do we have a seat number? 7?
Where do you see that?
Says, well, we got the whole bus to ourselves, only 3 of us, and we got about 3-hour bus ride, so my computer's dead, can't do any editing. Guess it's just gonna be reading and eating some Doritos. Quinn has no shirt underneath, so he gets to die. Bro, they're really driving with the door open.